Hello everyone, I'm Roy, and you're watching Roy Car Corner. In this edition, I'm going to be guiding you on how to use your new Model X. If you're new to Tesla, or even if you're not, I think you'll find this video helpful. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are released. The Tesla Model X Plaid is an insane SUV with 3 electric motors that produce 1020 horsepower, enough to make your head spin. The Model X Plaid has insane performance stats, with a 0-60 time of just 2.5 seconds, a top speed of 149 miles per hour, and a range of over 333 miles on a single charge. Before I walk you on how to use your new Model X, let's look at the car's beautiful interior for a while. The rear seats of the Model X Plaid have 2 cup holders and 2 USB-C ports, but the legroom is not suitable for adults, making them more suitable for children. The doors are made of soft materials all around in carbon fiber. The Tesla Model X Plaid's fabric door inserts add a touch of luxury to the interior, while the door speakers deliver excellent sound quality. Here we have the same door seals as the rear, which means the doors close tightly with no gaps. The front seats have hidden microphones, and then they're all perforated for ventilation, meaning you'll have to pump the AC a little less, as the seats will keep your back and legs nice and cool. The front seats also have standard adjustment options and lumbar support in the driver and front passenger seats. When you enter, press the brake and the door will close automatically. The Model X center console is wrapped in carbon fiber and soft materials throughout, from the doors to the dashboard to the entire interior. It comes with this futuristic yoke steering wheel, but Tesla is now offering a new round steering wheel as an option when ordering. Then, of course, we have the 17-inch touchscreen, which comes with high performance and good graphics. There is a camera here on this rear view mirror, which slide up to the glass roof. Guys, check out how massive the glass roof is, giving the interior a light and airy feel. The Model X Plaid has 2 built-in wireless phone chargers that can charge your phone without any cables. Below that, there is a sliding tray with more storage space. The center console comes with these 2 cup holders here as well. This is where the armrest is located and opens up to provide more storage space, making the center console roomy and airy. Okay, guys, let me walk you through some of the most important functions in this car. Basically, how to use the Tesla Model X, so please pay attention. Press the center of the door handle, and your door will swing open for you, welcoming you inside. It closes automatically when you press the brake pedal. If you want to get out, press this button with your thumb, or use the touchscreen. To open the Falcon Wing door, press the handle. Press here to close it from the outside. Or use this switch to open or close it from the inside. Your doors are automatic and smart, but it's your responsibility to make sure their paths are clear before you open or close them. Your Model X Plaid is compatible with 3 types of keys: a phone key, which turns your smartphone into a car key, key fobs, and backup key cards. You should keep the backup key cards with you when using the phone key. Here, we'll focus on the phone key. Use one of your backup key cards to set up phone key. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Tesla app and then follow the prompts. Once set up, as long as you have your phone with you, your car will unlock as you approach it. Power on for driving when you press the brake pedal, and lock as you walk away. Click here or swipe here to open your controls menu, which provides quick access to the functions you'll use the most. Tap to create your driver profile so you can get comfortable and save your settings. Reach down to the edge of your seat to adjust its position and lumbar support. To adjust the yoke steering wheel, select it on the touch screen and then use the left scroll wheel. Tap mirrors and use the same left scroll wheel to adjust each side view mirror. Finally, tap to save these settings to your profile. Many other settings are also saved to your driver profile, ensuring that your car remains exactly as you like it, even if you're not the only driver. By linking your profile to your phone key or key fob, your Model X Plaid can automatically adjust to your preferences as you approach it. To drive, simply buckle up in the car with your phone key, press the brake pedal, and then go to the touchscreen, swipe down for reverse, and up for drive. Tap here to manually put it in park. Otherwise, your car will put itself in park once you come to a complete stop and unbuckle. You can get out of your car once it is in park. Your car will turn off once you exit and close the doors. If you'd like your car to automatically shift itself out of park, go to Controls, Pedals, and Steering, and then enable Auto Shift out of park. With this setting enabled, your car will automatically shift into drive or reverse when you press the brake pedal while in park, based on your surroundings. The intended direction shows on the instrument cluster. Confirm this is the direction you want and just press the accelerator to go. Swipe on the touchscreen to select a different direction. Your cabin has a stopless steering column. Activate your turn signals by using these controls on the left side of the yoke. Press the turn signal stalk firmly to activate it. Your car will automatically turn off the signal once it detects that you have completed a maneuver, such as taking a turn, changing lanes, or taking an exit. You can also disengage the signal by pressing either the turn signal control. Press here to flash your high beam headlights and reveal light settings on the touchscreen. Press and hold to fully engage or disengage your automatic high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disable auto high beam. Honk your horn by pressing firmly here on the right side of the yoke. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up the wiper controls on your instrument cluster. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold on the wiper control and spray the windshield. Your car uses regenerative braking, which means that when you lift your foot off the accelerator, the electric motors will turn in reverse and generate electricity, which is then stored in the battery pack. This helps to slow down the car and extend its range. It may take a few drives to get used to, but it maximizes efficiency and control, ultimately making driving easier. As you ease off the accelerator at low speeds, your car will also apply the traditional brakes to bring you to a gentle stop and hold you there. This allows for stop-and-go driving using only the accelerator pedal. Of course, as with any other car, press the brake pedal when you need to decelerate rapidly. Charge point the connector at your charging port and press here to open it, or press on the charge port door itself. This Tesla T glows white when your car is ready to charge. Plug in the connector firmly and the T will pulse green when charging begins. To unplug, press and hold the connector button, then remove the connector when the T turns white. Your charge port door will automatically close. More information can be found in your on-screen owner's manual. Open the controls menu and select Service, Owner's Manual, and then search for any topic. That's it for today, guys. You can now support us using the Super Thanks feature on the bottom of this video. We will be back again for more car focus. In the meantime, subscribe. Goodbye.